This hotel has a bunch of old 3-inch galvanized piping that's in the ceiling, and it is eating itself from the inside out because of the water quality that's in just generally in the area, and it's falling apart. They've had a couple leaks, so they're being proactive about it, luckily, and allowing us to put in some new PP-RCT piping down the left side of the hallway as an upgrade. PP-RCT tubing is a lot better piping, obviously, than galvanized or even some copper tubing in this situation, but it does require more prep time, peeling the ends of the pipe, cleaning them, and then in this case we're electrofusing some of the fittings. Today we're using Reed's pipe peeler, and it's the one that has a chain. It does some of the larger diameter piping. In this case we're doing 3-inch. It's a nice rotary tool when you set it up.
I'm using this Reed scraper. It's making my job super easy. It's got these nice rollers in the chain. Just going through. It's not skipping or anything. It's making a nice clean cut. Yeah, no, it's fantastic actually.
Historically, before they had that, we would have to hand scrape all the pipe fittings. Nobody was happy. It was very labor intensive. And then this thing, we can get anybody to go on a job now because they just have to, tighten it down and spin it around circles. It's a lot easier. Saves a lot of time too. Everything that Reed makes, they just seem to hit home runs all the time.